Hello and welcome, viewers. I'm Dr. Preeti Reheja, and with me is Dr. Nupur. This episode is in continuation with our previous series about week by week changes in a fetus. So, in continuation from our previous session, we'd be talking about what all changes happen in a fetus between 9 to 12 weeks. So, over to you, Dr. Nupur, who'd be telling us what changes will happen in 9 to 12 weeks.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Preeti. So during this time period, the fetus starts growing and changes start to come in the mouth in the form of developing of teeth buds, which will ultimately grow into 20 childhood tooth that they develop in their jaws. Their fingers and toenails start to develop. The eyelids form. Four chamber heart is clearly seen, and even fetal movements can be observed on ultrasound in the form of somersault or forward rolls. Other than that, the baby at the end of 12 weeks becomes the size of almost like a lime. And when the fetus is 9 weeks, it is as small as a grape. So you can imagine how fast the baby grows from 9 to 12 weeks.
These are about the changes happening in a fetus. So, Dr. Nupur, please also tell us that what a pregnant female should expect, like what would be the symptoms during this period.
Yeah. So as the baby also starts to grow inside a mother's womb, mother will continue to experience pregnancy-induced changes, which happened during the early pregnancy up to 8 weeks, and there might be aggravation of the same at this time period in the form of maybe excessive nausea and vomiting, burping sensation, bloating sensation, or constipation, and because of all these hormonal changes there might sometimes be salivation excessive in the mouth. In the teeth, there can be bleeding from the gums or swollen teeth can appear for women. And so such changes keep happening. Other than that, there is excessive vaginal discharge also.
Apart from that, can you please tell us that what a pregnant female should expect during this time when, this is, we all know this is, there is a very important visit to the doctor which is scheduled in this time.
Yeah.
So, when she visits a gynecologist, what she should expect and what the gynecologist would be advising her during this period.
So it is very important to undergo a level 1 ultrasound at this time. If facilities available, also a nuchal translucency scan. And with this, the main aim is to look for genetic syndromes at this time period, which can be in the form of Down syndrome or Edwards syndrome or Patau syndrome, wherein a blood sample from maternal blood is also taken to look for two proteins in the form of double marker. The test is called, and this is a very good test to be done in the third month of pregnancy for early detection of defects in the brain and spinal cord.
Also, as regard to what treatment is advised during this period to a pregnant female.
As such, her folic acid supplements will continue. She might need some antacids or antiemetics at this time. And other than that, visit to doctor is also mandatory in case of acute pain abdomen or bleeding or hyperacidity or vomiting, which is much more than normal. And if she is not feeling too well about this, and sometimes there are also depressive symptoms due to extreme fatigue at this time.
So, thank you, Dr. Nupur, for letting us know. So, a message for our viewers that this is a very important phase as far as the development of the fetus is concerned, and this is a very delicate phase for the pregnant female also. So, they need to take care. They need to take great care of themselves. Visit their doctor. Be aware of what are not good symptoms, and they should be, looking out for any bleeding, any excessive pain, any excessive vomiting, and inform their doctor immediately. Also, do not take any medications without the prescription of your gynecologist. Lot of precaution needs to be taken during this phase as regard to your medications, your self care, and obviously it's a very important phase for your child also. Thank you, Dr. Nupur, and we'll be back again with another episode of this series. So looking forward to see you in our next session.
Thank you. Stay tuned with a broad smile till your delivery. Thank you.